Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This lesson is for class 8 subject English. Students, in this lesson our topic is lesson 4 in Iqra English Grammar book 5. So open your books on page 28. Students, as we know that pronoun is a word that used instead of noun. Students, in this lesson we will study some kinds of pronoun that are personal pronouns, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. So let's start. Number 1, personal pronouns. In the grammatical sense, a personal pronoun is a pronoun that is related mainly to a particular person. Personal pronouns are not limited to people and can also refer to animals and objects. Means personal pronoun stands for the names of persons, animals or things. It may be subjective pronouns or objective pronouns. Students, in subject pronouns we know very well that I and we is first person pronoun, you is second person pronoun, while he, she, it and they are third person pronouns. Students, in objective pronouns, I becomes me, you remains you, we becomes us, he becomes him, she becomes her, it remains it and they becomes them. Possessive pronoun. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. Students, we know very well that possessive pronouns indicate possession or ownership. मलकियत शो करने के लिए हम possessive pronoun use करते हैं. Students, for example, this pen is my pen, not your pen. This pen is mine, not yours. Here, word my, mine, your and yours are the examples of possessive pronoun. Like this is my laptop, it's mine. Word mine is possessive pronoun. These glasses are mine, not yours. Yours is used as a possessive pronoun. His, this is my brother's book, it's his. So his is used as possessive pronouns. डेमोस्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन आइडेंटिफाइज समवन और समथिंग. किसी भी चीज़ को या किसी भी शख्स को पॉइंट आउट करने के लिए वी यूज़ डेमोस्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस, दैट, दीज, दोज एटसेट्रा. लाइक दिस इज़ माय चेयर, दैट इज़ पीटर्स हाउस, दीज आर हर क्लॉथ्स, दोज आर माइग्रेटिंग बर्ड्स. Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. ऐसे वर्ड्स, ठीक है, जो कि हम क्वेश्चंस करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर एग्जांपल whose, which, who, whom, what, etc. Reflexive pronoun. A reflexive pronoun is a pronoun that refers to the subject and is necessary to the basic meaning of the sentence. Students, it gives the basic meaning of the sentence. And in reflexive pronouns, students, in a sentence subject and object are same. These are the example: myself, yourself, herself, himself, itself, yourselves, ourselves and themselves. Students, we form our reflexive pronoun by adding self with personal pronoun. Emphatic pronoun. When reflexive pronoun is used to emphasize the particular noun. Students, खास नाउन को या प्रोनाउन को emphasize करने के लिए सेंटेंस में we use emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronouns are pronouns from which emphasize on the importance of the noun or pronoun. Emphatic pronouns are pronoun forms which emphasize on the importance of the noun or pronoun. यानी कि ये noun और pronoun की importance को emphasize करता है sentence में, ठीक है. For example, I myself saw the masked thief. You yourself should learn to do it. He himself cooked a meal for dinner. So students, दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है हमारे पास, क्योंकि रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन की भी फॉर्मेशन इसी तरह ही होती है कि हम सेल्फ की एडिशन पर्सनल प्रोनाउन के साथ करते हैं और एम्फेटिक में भी यही फॉर्मेशन होती है स्टूडेंट्स. बट द डिफरेंस इज रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस जो है वो बेसिक मीनिंग सेंटेंस को देते हैं, ठीक है. अगर हम इसको रिमूव करेंगे तो हमारे सेंटेंस का जो मीनिंग है वो क्या हो जाएगा, वो हमें बाकायदा सेंस नहीं देता, ठीक है. जबकि एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन को अगर आप सेंटेंस से रिमूव करते हैं तो तब भी जो है वो सेंटेंस पे कोई भी इफ़ेक्ट नहीं डालता. इसके अलावा स्टूडेंट्स, रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन में हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्ट और सब्जेक्ट सेंटेंस में सेम होते हैं, जबकि एम्फेटिक में ऐसा नहीं होता. जस्ट ये नाउन या प्रोनाउन को एम्फेसाइज करते हैं, ठीक है, उसकी इंपॉर्टेंस को सेंटेंस में एम्फेसाइज करते हैं. So you have studied about the kinds of pronouns. Now you will be able to solve these exercises. Exercise A, underline the self pronouns and write whether it is reflexive or emphatic. Students, I have underlined the pronouns, the self pronouns, and students by letter R and E, which indicate R indicate reflexive pronoun while E indicate emphatic pronoun. So let's start. The injured soldier dragged himself to a safe place. Himself, reflexive pronoun. The president himself awarded the intellectuals of the country. Emphatic pronoun used. The poor widow helped herself to manage her life. Herself, reflexive pronoun. The citizens themselves cleared the debris of the demolished building. Themselves, emphatic pronoun. The firefighters saved all of the victims, but he himself was carried by heavy flames. Himself, emphatic pronoun. The computer got shut down itself when the light had gone. Itself, emphatic pronoun. God help those who help themselves. Reflexive pronoun. He does not need anyone as he is pleased with himself. Reflexive pronoun. Everyone in the rescue team had mentally prepared himself to deal with this uncertain disaster. Himself, reflexive pronoun. The villagers set a hedge themselves around the field. Themselves used as an emphatic pronoun. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with corresponding reflexive pronoun. She fell off the chair and hurt herself. The chick is too weak to feed itself. The newcomer introduced himself to the class. They confined themselves to their residence. She cut herself while cutting vegetable. The boys lost themselves when they were wandering in the woods. Wow, there is a great Haiti. Ali helped himself. Pakistan Air Force has proved itself to be one of the best forces of the world. I have put myself in this tough situation. Why are you deceiving yourself by cheating him? Exercise C. Exercise C. Write whether the underlined words are pronoun or adjective. Students, we know very well what is pronoun and what is adjective. We know pronoun, a word that is used instead of noun in a sentence, and adjective qualify the noun. Students, I have underlined the pronoun and adjective and by letter P and A, in which P represent pronoun and A represent adjective in a sentence. Could you move your car please? You pronoun while your adjective. These books are to be kept but those are to be sold. These adjective while those pronoun. They haven't decided on their university subject. They pronoun while they are adjective. You may go home now. Your homework is completed. You pronoun while you are adjective. Check its wheel. It looks faulty. It's adjective while P pronoun. Exercise D. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronoun and also write down its kind in the parentheses. We know very well we have studied the kinds of pronouns, and students, in parentheses you will write down the kinds. So the first one, I myself saw him to do it. Myself, emphatic pronoun. You are not as clever as he. He is personal pronoun. You are more intelligent than her. Her, personal pronoun. Whose is this book? Whose, interrogative pronoun. Those are hanging gifts. Those, demonstrative pronoun. She wishes to visit them. She, personal pronoun. They hurt themselves. Themselves, reflexive pronoun. What do you mean to say this? What, interrogative pronoun. Mr. and Mrs. Bashir have two cars which are theirs. Theirs, possessive pronoun. Mr. Bashir drive his and Mrs. Bashir drives her, while his and hers are possessive pronoun. Exercise E. Fill in the blanks with suitable emphatic pronoun. She herself decorated her house. We achieved the target by ourselves. The man himself called the police when the robbers broke into his house. I did the whole work myself. People mended the road by themselves. The machine itself packed the bottles in the factory. Can you explain your project yourself? Students, you are aware of the topic. Now collect the information yourself. The poor villagers tried to put out the fire by themselves. I myself heard the remarks about me. Write this work in your Iqra English Grammar Book 5 and learn it. Thank you.